Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. How are you guys? My name is Mahmoud. I'm Arabic language tutor. I teach Quran and Arabic to native speakers. So if you'd like to have a lesson online with me, you can email me here at ustazmahmoud184 at gmail.com. Today, inshallah, we're going to learn how to say in Arabic always. How to say always in Arabic language. And before we start our lesson, please guys don't forget to like this video and subscribe for the channel. And if you could share this video with your friends, I'll be really grateful for this, because this really helps me a lot. Thank you. And let's see an example. I always wake him up early. I'll always wake him up early. How to say this sentence in Arabic language? Well, we say أوقظه مبكرا دائما. أوقظه مبكرا دائما. أوقظه يعني I wake him up. I wake him up. Here, this verb, I wake him up. Not I wake up. No, this is I wake him up. أوقظه مبكرا early دائما always. أوقظه مبكرا دائما. So always means دائما, and it comes after a sentence. It comes after جملة. It comes after جملة or sentence. So please look at these examples. He always wears this black coat in winter. He always wears this black coat in winter. So first we say يلبس هذا المعطف الأسود في الشتاء دائما. يلبس and he wears هذا المعطف, this coat, الأسود black, في الشتاء in winter, دائما always. يلبس هذا المعطف الأسود في الشتاء دائما. يلبس هذا المعطف الأسود في الشتاء دائما. Okay, the second example. She always gets full mark in chemistry. She always gets full mark in chemistry. So first we say تحصل على الدرجة النهائية في الكيمياء دائما. تحصل على الدرجة النهائية في الكيمياء دائما. تحصل على she gets الدرجة النهائية full marks في الكيمياء in chemistry دائما. She always gets full marks in chemistry. تحصل على الدرجة النهائية في الكيمياء دائما. Okay, the last example. You always make me laugh in the meeting. You always make me laugh in the meeting. So first we say تجعلني أضحك في الاجتماع دائما. تجعلني أضحك في الاجتماع دائما. تجعلني يعني you make me. أضحك laugh في الاجتماع in the meeting دائما always. تجعلني أضحك في الاجتماع دائما. You always make me laugh in the meeting. Okay, so again, always means دائما and it comes in the end of the sentence. It might come in the middle also. Okay, يلبس هذا المعطف الأسود في الشتاء دائما. تحصل على الدرجة النهائية في الكيمياء دائما. كيمياء chemistry. تجعلني أضحك في الاجتماع دائما. You always make me laugh in the meeting. I hope this lesson is useful for you, inshallah. If you have any question, please write in the comment and I will reply to you. Don't forget to make dua for me and for my family. Thank you, and I see you in other lessons, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.